Hello friends, welcome to week 4 of virtual learning or distance learning, starting April 20th, Monday, and all assignments are due by Sunday, April 26th at 11:59. Please email me questions that you may have before 2 p.m. on Friday. I'm getting a whole lot of emails on the weekends, and I really need you guys to get your questions into me by 2 p.m. on Friday. I would appreciate it. All right, so here is your presentation for what we are doing this week. Still working on geometry, but this should be our last week of doing that. We should be able to wrap it up this week. First of all, I want to give a shout out to Josie. Woo, woo, woo! She broke out of the birthday party puzzler breakout challenge. She was the only one. If I was mistaken and you think you broke out, but I didn't mention your name, please send me an email. But as far as I can tell, Josie was the only one to do it. So congratulations to Josie. You rock. We will be meeting on Google Meets this week on Tuesday, April 21st. All of the Pacesetter teachers will be on the video conference this week. Times are listed here. Make sure you log on, and I will put the links in Google Classroom. If you're having problems getting your microphone or camera to work, check out these directions here. Hopefully you will be able to fix that because we want to see your face. Remember the Google Meet etiquette guide, of course. Slide number 4 is Flipgrid. Like I said, Flipgrid is optional, but I do need to have everybody's parents fill out this form. Even if you're not ever going to use it or if you don't have permission to use it, I do need you to click on this yellow link here and fill out the form, have your parents fill out the form. Flipgrid this week, is show and tell. We're going to flash back to elementary school. Show us something you're proud of, something you love, something that's really cool. Tell us all about it. Don't just say, this is my whatever, and be done with it. Give us some explanation. Tell us why it's special, why you want to share it with us. Lesson 1, I can write mixed numbers as improper fractions and improper fractions as mixed numbers. This is a review. We've done this before. You did it back in elementary school. I'm just wanting you to review this. So really, this should not take you very long. So number 1, the first thing you need to do is complete the needs form. Click on this link right here. Fill out the needs form every single Monday. Every single student needs to do this. Got a lot of people who aren't. So please, please do it. Lesson 1 is to review, to help you get ready for finding the volume of a rectangular prism. So you need to complete the Ed puzzle, mixed numbers and fractions. The link is in Google Classroom. And then when you're done with that, complete digits I-12-1, and the link is in Google Classroom. No calculators on this, please. Slide number 6. Again, is a review. Should be really easy for you. I can multiply mixed numbers. You're going to watch the video below. This lady's going to take you through step by step on how to multiply mixed numbers. This is review. Then you're going to complete digits I-12-4. Link is in Google Classroom. No calculators. Slide number 7, lesson 3. This is the volume formula. You've done this in science class. This should not be difficult for you. Really, the hardest part is switching mixed numbers to improper fractions and back again. So watch the video that I made down here about the volume of a right rectangular prism. Get a piece of paper, solve the problem with me while you watch the video, and then complete digits 14-5 homework. Link is in Google Classroom. Lesson 4, I can crush the geometry review. This is just review. We're just going to review everything we've done on distance learning as far as geometry goes. And that's it for geometry. Next week, we start data and statistics. Woo woo! Pretty exciting stuff. So I put a Kahoot game in here. You can play this game to review. You guys, I know you love Kahoot, so I thought I'd stick that in there. Please use your first and last name so that I know who's playing. Don't put a nickname in there. Don't put only your first name. Use first and last names so that I know who played the Kahoot game. Then number 2, you're going to complete digits topic 13 review homework. Link is in Google Classroom, and topic 14 review homework. link is in Google Classroom. And that's it for geometry, folks. Lesson 5, you are going to do the air practice number 7, which goes over what we did before spring break, before the end of third quarter. So your ratios, proportions, percents, unit rates, all that kind of fun stuff that we did before then. Calculators are A-OK on this. You may use calculators. This is that thing we did before where you're setting up a fraction bar, an equal sign, and a fraction bar. You're putting everything all over, or filling in the numbers that you have, and then cross multiplying and dividing to figure out the missing number. When you get this done, remember you're clicking on here to open the air practice 7. You cannot do your work in the document. It is not for you to edit. You have to do your work, either print it out or put it on a separate piece of paper. Then you're going to watch the video that I recorded here. Hopefully I got all the answers right. Seem to be having issues with that lately. But you're going to watch the video to check your work and then complete this form right here. Click on this to submit your score. All right. All right. Let's see. Number 10, I gave you another checklist so that you make sure you've got everything. If you haven't done the parent permission form, please have that done. If you want to do Flipgrid, show and tell, it is optional, but it's on the list. Your needs form, Edpuzzle, mixed numbers and fractions, digits I-12-1, digits I-12-4, digits 14-5, Kahoot geometry review, digits topic 13 and 14, your air practice number 7, and I gave you another challenge, another breakout room. I love breakout rooms. I hope you guys do too. This is a math-related breakout room. It is using the area formula. So this is something we did this week, so hopefully you should be able to rock this breakout room and breakout. So if you do break out, I will make another slide just like this one up here and give you a shout out. One more shout out. Woohoo, Josie, yay. All right, so that is our slide presentation and all the things you need to do for this week, week 4, for virtual learning or distance learning. Please, 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 if you're having problems, if you don't know how to do something, if you have a question, email me. I have seen some people with zeros on their digits assignments. That is not okay. You guys know what you're supposed to be scoring on digits. If you can't figure it out, send me an email and I will help you to the best of my ability. But I know you guys can do this. You're awesome. So have a great week. Email me if you need anything. And I will see you on Tuesday in the Google Meets video chat.